Hey beauty, we're gonna be doing a smoky makeup routine for under $20. First, spread the foundation evenly on the face, and gently press the beauty egg onto your skin to provide coverage. Then put just enough concealer on a pimple to cover up the redness. Raise the pen tip 45 degrees and draw eyebrows along the growth direction of the eyebrows. Apply matte brown into the crease of the eye, blending out. Highlight your lids with a highlight shadow. Use eyeliner to apply a clean line at the outer corner of your eye. Apply mascara on your upper and lower lashes. To create a natural look, we need to stick to the high points of our face. This double-ended contour stick can add three-dimensional shape to the face. Finally, apply lipstick and the makeup is complete.